The microelectronic manufacturing degree started at Lorain County Community College in Elyria, Ohio, and was based on the growing technical workforce needs of our local electronic manufacturing industry partners. For the past 8 years, Lorain County Community College has been filling the electronics manufacturing workforce pipeline by allowing our industry partners to tailor the content of our degree curriculum so that we can train students in IPC soldering, SMT manufacturing, and PCB engineering, things that will help our students get jobs. So far, 100% of all LCCC MEM student graduates have been hired at our growing collaboration of industry partners, learning how to design, manufacture, and engineer printed circuit boards.